Hi, my name is Abigail.
Hi, my name is Emily.
Hi, my name is Penny.
And we are from Troop 45146
from Providence, New Jersey, and we will show you how to make DIY dog toys.
And these are some of the examples of the dog toys.
This is the braid.
This is the tennis ball braid.
You will cut under the armpits. Now you have a square alongside the hem. Cut. You should have a piece of fabric that looks exactly like this alongside the long way. You will now make an X shape with the two fabric pieces. Put the ball in the middle of the X shape.
And then you'll pick up the fabric like this. And then, once you have it like this, you can tie it into a knot with an extra fabric piece.
And now you should have 4 strips.
Now grab your scissors and cut each strip into thirds. Now you should have 12 strips of fabric, or 4 groups of 3. You should group them into 4 groups. Then you'll braid them. It's okay if the strips aren't all
You need extra pieces of fabric to tie the knot at the end of the braid. Remember, they don't have to be too
finished
long.
braiding. Make sure you tie the braids with extra pieces of fabric. If you need to, you can cut those pieces of fabric.
Now you have finished the tennis ball braid. Now you will start the braid toy.
Now, for the braid, you will cut the shirt into 3 equal strips. And then you can start braiding.
Now that you have cut the shirt into 3 strips, you will have a piece ending up like this. You will cut the strip like this.
You have cut your 3 strips of fabric. You have to tie them with another piece of fabric.
If you have finished braiding, get another extra piece of fabric and tie it to the finished braid.
And now you have finished the braid toy.